It wasn't very long before Oscar had his first chance to say no. I was sweeping the sidewalk in front of my nest when I saw Cookie Monster knocking on Oscar's lid. Oscar didn't even bother to come up. He just yelled no from inside his can.
But Oscar,
Called Cookie Monster.
me forget to keep some cookies for afternoon snack. Just give me macaroon and maybe marshmallow puff. Oh, please, Oscar.
No, Oscar called back. No, no, no. No cookies until dinner, Cookie Monster. That's what you told me. So Cookie Monster went away, looking as hungry as usual. A little while later, I was in my nest, and I heard someone knocking on Oscar's can. The person knocking at Oscar's can looked like a furry blue guy smiling. When Oscar raised his lid, the furry blue guy smiley said,
Hello, me, Guy Smiley, everybody's favorite television game show host.
Oscar said, "You're not my favorite television game show host. I don't like television."
Oh, that's not the matter.
Answered the furry blue guy smiling.
Today, we're not on television. This special game called Prizes for Cookies. You win 3 dance lessons at Monster Dance Palace if you have marshmallow puff with strawberry icing.
Dance lessons, said Oscar. That's ridiculous. Roaches don't want dance lessons. We want trash. No, no cookies. Now scram. Well, of course, the person pretending to be Guy Smiley was Cookie Monster.